Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Staten Island, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we are focusing on composite deck boards and what homeowners should know about brands and warranties before they decide what to put on top of their deck frame. The goal is simple: help you understand what you are paying for and what you can expect over time. First, what is composite decking? Composite boards are made from a mix of plastics and wood fibers instead of solid lumber. They are designed to resist rot, splintering, and most fading, with basic cleaning instead of regular staining or sealing. In a place like Staten Island, with heat, cold, rain, and snow, that can make a big difference in how your deck looks and how much work it needs after a few years. Next, let's talk about differences between composite lines. Some boards have a full protective cap on all sides, while others cap the top and edges. Some offer deeper grain patterns and richer color blends, while others are simpler and more budget-friendly. You might also notice differences in how slick or grippy the boards feel when wet and how warm they get in direct sun. All of these details affect everyday use. Brand choice comes into play here. Composite brands like TimberTech offer several product lines, each with different price points and warranty lengths. Higher-end boards may have longer structural and fade stain coverage, thicker caps, and more complex color patterns. Mid-range options may offer solid performance with simpler finishes. The right choice depends on how long you plan to stay in the home, how you use the deck, and what you want it to look like. Warranties are often misunderstood, so let's unpack them. Most composite warranties cover structural performance for a set number of years, and also provide fade and stain coverage within certain limits. They usually assume the boards are installed according to the manufacturer's instructions, with correct joist spacing, ventilation, and fasteners. If those details are ignored, it can affect both performance and warranty support. It is also important to know what a warranty does not cover. Normal wear, minor color changes, and damage from misuse or improper cleaning are often excluded. That is why it is a good idea to read the key points, register your product if required, and keep records of the installer and materials. That way, if you ever do have a problem, you are prepared to start a conversation with clear information. Finally, you have to fit all of this into your budget. Paying more upfront for a higher-end board with a longer warranty can make sense if you plan to stay in the home and want to keep maintenance low. In other situations, a mid-range composite might be the right balance. The main thing is to understand what you are giving up or gaining as you move between options, instead of just picking by color or name. If you would like help comparing composite deck boards and warranties for your own project, you can reach Tough Deck Builders Staten Island at 929-323-2422 or visit toughdeckbuildersstatenisland.com to learn more about our composite deck design and installation services. We help homeowners match materials and warranties to real-world use, so the finished deck is both durable and practical. Thanks for listening, and we will talk again soon.